Here we go again, learning a C++ from scratch, day 10. So yesterday I had a semester exam and today I had a semester exam and this is the last one, and we guys can be free from today. So I'm really happy that my semester exams are completed, so we can focus on this. Okay, so okay, let's so I asked ChatGPT, I think in afternoon, that ChatGPT said some of the topics are only important and you can leave the rest of it. I hope it is good. So if we want anything important or something like that, we can learn when we want. So it is not that difficulty or something like that. Okay. So now we are only going to focus more on loop and arrays and while loop, something like that. Okay, then we can uh, learn anything we want, anything rather than that, to be honest. Sorry, my fault. I forgot to take the water. Guys, wait a minute. Just a minute. Just back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, so now we are going to focus more on the loops and something like that. And if I have any trouble in especially I have a trouble in a array something array problems, especially when the array comes in a loop, so especially for loop. And okay, okay, so it's already 2 minutes. Okay, now we are going to focus on the mm, yep, another boss. Yep, I'm ready for another boss fight. However, I I want to people people to for the upcoming boss fight. So then I want I want like I mean I want another four. I want four another four five, five before the boss fight. And I can mean um I want the four small fights. um, better be better be based on based based on boss. Okay, here we go. Here we go again. Okay, I will give you a small four small files, and each one Muzzle you knee for the next boss or mountain. Type logic, what do you mean? No solution, no code. Each problem comes with what it is, what it tries. Think hint, what do you mean? The pre-boss training. I mean, okay, so fight one direction deductor. Okay, yeah, problem given a number. Check. Okay, are the digits straightly increasing or straightly decreasing or neither? What the heck? Okay. What is this? Try neither, but thinking hint compare only two digits at the time. Decide the direction once, then verify it. Okay. Oh my god. That's what I mean. My god. The surprise. Okay, nothing. Okay. What is this trying neighbor comparison? Understanding direction? Neither. Okay. So I have to check and I have to like loop them. Oh my god. Oh my god. So guys, are you kidding me? The chat GPT is forcing me to work on the array, man. Lord have mercy, man. Oh my god, dude. Hmm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, wait a minute. What the heck? Recovery selected files don't recover. But do you think I may need this? Yeah, practice CPP. Yo, guys, I want this file, man. But okay, that is the file only one which don't need a pre-compiler. You know what I mean? So yeah, we don't need a pre-compiler in a practice file CPP. So it is a good news for me, to be honest. So yeah. So oh my god, or do I? Okay, yeah, it is that. Thank God. Okay, so I don't need a common header file now. Okay, so okay, this how we add up. Okay, okay, so I have to. Okay, for now, close this, and we are going to focus on this valid example JavaScript. What? Oh, it is okay. Just okay, so I'm going to delete this, then I'm going to delete this. Okay, no, I'm not going to, I want that, so let that be down. Okay, so int num no. We can directly use that, right? Yeah. So do we need to do that? Okay, no, don't think so. Okay, so none. Then standard count. So guys, I have no idea, but here is a shortcut. But you guys may know the using a namespace std. It is actually the short form for the not using the standard. Over here we don't have to use it. So if we use that, so I think it is kind of laziness to use this line. So yeah, we don't know that. Okay. Okay, so we must follow the traditional method. Okay, so okay, so enter the number. Okay, so yeah, here we go. So we get the number and we need a for loop that has I equal to 0. Then I what do we say? Mm, we have to set the size, right? No, I think we don't want that. What is the run? So I think there was a way to stop that. So yeah, we used in yesterday's problem that I black slash zero, right? No, sorry, zero. It is actually this. It is a way to um, stop the number, something like that. They say. So okay. So I think it will work. Okay. Mm, so yeah, it is showing green. Okay, so it is I don't remember of using a double equal to oh yeah, I use a not equal to, right? Yeah, I use a not equal to. Okay, yeah, not equal to. If it is equal it will stop. Yeah, I mean, okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, so now I have to check that wait a minute. So they are giving an invalid value. What? Oh my god, it's a hold on, man. Lord have mercy, man. I just got started to confuse, man. Lord. Okay, so the increase, the 1, 2, 3, 4, then increase, then 4, 3, 2, 1 decrease. So we have to figure out that each iteration is increasing or decreasing. So we are going to write that the if num I, then no, I didn't use that or something like that. Why is going in? No, I have no idea, man. Okay, so we have to check it is a greater or smaller, right? So how do I, man? So okay. So I think this one will work, but have to like have to know it is working or not. So okay, why it is showing in a error in a it is what the heck? So we can use like that, man. Lord, huh? I thought I can. So this loop will not run, something like that. No way. I think I did some mistake over here. Okay, let me check what I did. I have no idea what exactly, but yeah, yeah, I saved in here. Okay, yeah. So yeah, which problem? It's 7, right? I think 7. Yeah, this one. So it does increase, but so for the okay, but I oh yeah, we didn't use inside of it, so I think uh, using a I inside of it, like I mean, it might run over here, so we have to use some other. Mm, use some other. So I only had one option that using a digit. If you familiar with lost video from mine, that you may know what we did with a digit, that we use a digit equal to standard, and then we use as two string, then yeah, two string, then we use num to count, then to find out the length. It is a syntax for finding the digit of the letter on word, whatever. Okay, so we is using a num, we using a digit to figure out that. Okay, so I less than I less than digit. Okay, so yeah, it will work. So um, okay, so why still now it is going? Okay, I got what the problem is. Lord, so it is why it is showing here. Oh my god, dude. Okay, okay, wait a minute. So it is showing that the I is not showing an error because it is not insize or something like that. So okay, wait a minute, what it is showing exactly? Expression must have a pointer to object type, but it has a type int. What? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, alt enter, wait a minute, alt enter. Okay, then what? Control plus something like that. They said okay. I did, but looks like nothing happened. What? Read up. What the heck is going on here? Okay, what's going on? Lord. So so now I don't know how to get rid of that. Lord man. So how do I? So what just happened? Someone actually changed my code or something like that. Lord. Okay, I got the number and what the heck? What the heck? What? Guys, so I think this is a new way of changing like that something. So let me, I don't know how it is work, but yeah, let's okay, copy that and ask GPT. Yeah, so where is that? Okay, doubts, yeah, go to the doubts. Okay, so here we um, going x prime. No magic, no compilers. Scotchy, just clean logic. Okay, line one. Okay, the num is a number, so is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the standard to string num converts the number into the text. Like, what the heck? Okay, that's what happened. So the to string is converting a number into the text. Okay, I don't know exactly what's going on there, but I know it. We can use it um, to count the length. Okay, so okay, now I know how exactly this works. Okay, so the num string equal to 1 2 3 4. You probably turn the number to string text. Okay, I got it. So because the number doesn't have a length but the string do. Okay, so we always convert the integer into string to count the length of it. Okay, I know. Okay, I got it. So the digit equal to static cast int number string and then length. Let's break this monster down. Okay, I got it. So the number string length is number equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, then the length is a number of character. Okay, got it. So yeah, okay, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, got it. So the important detail: the length returns the type called size t, not the inch. What the heck? So I don't know the size t. It is some kind of function, something like that. I don't know that. Oh my god. Okay, so okay, how long it is? Okay, it's 22. Okay, that's not bad, man. Okay, okay, wait a minute. Okay, I got this screenshot yesterday. So yeah. Totally forgot. I just seen this. Okay, to yeah, we got it. Okay, so do I have to log in? Okay, thank you. Uh, it's probably better. Yeah, better to hear. Okay, so we want to set the to do, but it is too important, man. Planned, important, assigned to me, task, something like that. Oh my god, oh my god, I didn't saw. Okay, we have to add that, right? Something. Oh, it is showing like this. Okay, this is cool, man. This is what I want. Okay, okay, this is cool. Okay, so we have to going to about that. So first problem we got here, that what was that? I don't know the name exactly. mm, I don't think we got there. Okay, I think this is the one. Okay, the final boss. Okay, I don't know. Okay, again, not that. Don't distract. Uh, okay, the direction detector. Okay, direction detector. Right? Oh yeah. Okay, before. Okay. Okay. CPP. Okay. Oh, sorry. C plus plus. Yeah, my main. Okay. So how do I add? Enter. Okay, it is actually added. Okay, thank you. So do I have to copy paste all that? Something like that. Yes. That's the todo. Okay. Here it is. Copy that. then type cpp, sorry, type c++, and add that. Okay, so then come here, then copy this. Okay, so then okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, my fault. Okay, we got that. And okay, wait a minute. Repeat. What? I don't know what exactly it is. Okay, we might need in the future something like that. Mm, okay, and then come here, then paste here, and then cpp, then add. Come here, define a boss. Advanced mountain number. Oh my god, dude, I didn't even do that. Lord have mercy, man. Okay, so I think we if we did all the fourth problem, I think we would be better in the final boss fight. You know what I mean? So yeah, we have to do the final boss CPV. Yes, I didn't mention the name, but my fault. Okay. So we are going to do this. Okay. You are going to be here. Okay. Yes. You know. Can you go? We can't I remove this thing? How do I, man? How do I get a new list? I don't know how, but something like this. Okay, so I might keep it here. Okay, just for the remainder, right? So yeah, it will be cool here if we or might be here. It will be big disturbance. So yeah. What if it is here? I think that might disturb my problem. It won't, right? Okay, don't. Okay, so it is actually better to be here for now. So okay, so let's move on to the topic we are struggling with. What happened? Okay, yeah. So the okay, wait a minute. So okay, so yeah, I got that. Why not just assign it? Uh, Not ideal. Okay, I don't know what I mean because the okay. Okay, so the enter the static cast in the static cast in this is access explicitly telling the computer the real I know this value fit in okay, wait a minute. Static cast int the num string length this is actually is explicitly telling the computer I know the value fit in inch convert the it is clean and fast but that why exactly we need that. Oh my god, can be shrunken this a little bit. I don't think it is bothersome. Okay, don't write. Okay, okay. Um, I think like I need another monitor. Yes. So guys, I'm going to add my uh, PayPal account in the description that whoever wants to donate me, you can donate me how much money you want. But yeah, what what we are raising the fund because we want another good monitor. I don't have a monitor. I'm probably use my TV for another monitor like a month ago. So right now my TV is like occupied by my family members. They don't actually allow me to use a TV all the time. So yeah, so we can't use that TV for the monitor, but it is good for using another monitor as a TV, but it will be expensive. So and it is a big trouble to fit the TV in my room because my room is like too small. That okay, so I think a monitor is perfect choice, and yeah. So right now I am doing a bachelor's, but I can earn anything. Right now I'm just depending on my dad money. So I'm going to raise a fund for the another monitor that yeah you guys will if you really want to help me, you can help me whenever you want. The link will be in the description, and you can donate me how much money you want. So that is it. I just want another monitor. Yeah, to have two monitor is really good, man. But yeah, we can keep last thing like this, and we can do multiple tasks at the time. Yeah, it is too good. But right now I don't have. But we will have. You guys will help me here. I know that. So okay. Mm, okay, just focus on. It is 32. Oh my god. So this static cast int. Okay, the static cast int. So like I just have confusion. Okay, I don't think we need this probably. Okay, can you be here? Okay, so oh my god, where is man? Lord have mercy, man. Okay, so the static, where is showing in orange? Okay, the static cast int the number string length. So enter those indicators in. So like why converting a number into a string? Count how many character it has, and then converting that into an int to store it in a digit. Oh, okay. I like you, man, to explain like that. Okay. I just had too many confusion. So we converted the string now int into the uh sorry, I mean we converted the integer into the string. Then why we are using as int for the string? I just had too many confusion, man. Okay, what the heck is going on? I have no idea, man. So finally the ChatGPT has helped me that it is nothing but we are converting a string into the string, sorry, int into the string, and then we are again converting the string into the number because we want to store in a teaching. That's what's going on here. So I hats off you that you explained that too clearly, just by the two line. I like you, man. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate. Okay, so okay, so let's focus on. Okay, I really the way you explain that better to be explained. Uh, I don't know that time. Okay, fully good. I will check into the. I am exhausting from now and then the pain. And the okay, I really like the way it explained that too clearly. Okay, so we are using it to converse like that. Okay, that's good. Okay, why the hell I closed that up? Okay, so yes, okay, thank you. So what? Okay, you here with the chat GPT? What do you mean? I think it's going to be something personal. Okay, okay, I don't want to. I don't want to click that. I have some image here. I think it might leak my image. I don't want to leak my image. Okay, sorry. I don't want to press this. I don't want to press that. Okay, so okay, guys, I forgot. Don't ever distract me. Chat GPT, don't distract me. I beg you. Okay, so the standard string num, we are okay. We are using it to store. Okay, then standard string to. Okay. We are assigning this. Then okay, then equal to the standard equal to. Okay, we are using it to convert that. Okay, then digit equal to static cast in. Then num string length. Okay, so so we have to memorize the syntax over here. Yeah, so we have to okay, we have to, man. Okay, so okay, focus, don't talk unnecessary. Okay, so okay, over here that we have to yeah, so print yeah, for you, sorry, my bad. Okay, my bad. Okay, it is actually converted that. Why, what the heck? Oh man, godly. Okay, type like that, but it is actually converted that. How? Okay, it is no, no, since okay, so I don't know, but like I think I pressed some number like that. Okay, increasing. Sorry, my bad. Increasing. Okay, something like that. And then okay, there are some. Okay, so if sorry, I'm typing if oh my god. Num string. No, I think we don't want the num string. Do we want the num string? I don't think we want the num string to count that. Yeah, it will be collapse, man. Who the hell actually Read up, dude. Just like that, I think. Yeah. So the I still not flying like this. But is it good to use over here? I don't know, man. But it is still flying out. Okay. Nice. I have no idea what is going on. Mm, I think it shows like this because of that. But we are using a for loop, but the size still lying that. So is it showing? Wait a minute. Maybe zero or something. No, so I have to refer the whole code that. So so yeah, use this on the string. So I think we can use that, but I do remember of using like that, but I have no idea what is saying now. Load, man. Pointed to the object type, but it has a int. What the heck? I still have no idea, man. Lord, it is important, man, that you have to iterate to that, right? But why it is so, Okay. Still so, man. Lord have mercy, man. Lord have mercy, man. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Do you think it work? Okay, so wait a minute. So the for int, okay, it will run until the digit is -1. Okay, so if the 1 is enter here, then 2 is here. So the one this will be no, then this statement over here, then sorry, I mean okay, so the num I plus 1. Okay, this will be valid here, then okay, so why the heck it is showing another? Can anybody explain to me why it is going? But I have no idea, man. But I used like this in a before one problem, but it doesn't show any error, but it is showing an error because I don't know why and how in the world it is showing an error. My god. It is saying the error is actually saying it make no sense. The expression must have a pointer to object. Pointer? What do you mean by pointer? It's like a location, something like that. Okay. Mm, guys. So okay, I have no idea. Let me just think so why the heck it is doing that, but I have to complete the uh, where is the okay no, okay, probably good. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, so I have some. I just had some issues in my keyboard. Just don't know okay how to solve that. Okay, so let's turn it up. Neither. Okay. Okay, so now I have no idea why the heck it is going on. So now I'm going to copy this line. Can't I? Okay, we can go here. Okay, wait a minute. This errors occur when you try to use a pointer or a handle operation on a type that it is not a pointer or handle. This can be happen due to incorrect usage of a pointer or handles in your code. Strict example. Okay, wait a minute. Employee int. Okay, okay, okay. So the correct employee object to access the hours work number of each employee, you should use array subscript operator first, then access the member. What the heck? Okay, wait a minute. I have no idea what's actually going on here. Okay, okay. So then, okay, the conditions are same. Then, so okay, something like this. Like guys, Lord have mercy, man. That is why they used the um, so we can use a num. Okay, but I have to use a num because of that line is showing like that. I think. I think. Oh, wait a minute. So if I use a num string, I think it will work. Okay. Okay, it is showing in a no here, right? Because we are using a string over here to compare that. Okay. So okay, okay, okay. So now it should work, right? I think it is going on. I hope it work, guys. To be honest, when I trying to run a program in here, it is actually never printed. Same happening this, same happening the same thing, same happening the same thing. It never runs. It never runs. It is doing a. Oh my god! I'm about to freak out now. Right now, I'm about to freak out. I can't even run any fucking thing over this compiler. I'm about to freak out because of this compiler, man. Really, when I run this, the same error is popping up with the every fucking time, and I really asked ChatGPT, and I did all my best in my previous chapter, and I did all that, and I literally deleted the entire file and created a new file, and here we are, and say doing the same thing over here, and again and again and again and again. What the fuck is going on? You know what I mean? I have no idea, man. Seriously, I have no idea, man. Seriously, I have no idea what's problem with this, or it is anything problem with my data or something like that. But it is good in online computer. What the heck? I just want the new compliments. You see, I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not gonna lie, but I think, yeah, I'm really want that, man. You have no idea what's the problem with that, and I literally solved that, and still showing that, and even ChatGPT said, like, you have to do you have to use a VS Code instead of a Visual Studio. VS Code. He really said that I have a proof, man. Seriously, I have a proof that ChatGPT really said I don't know what to do for this problem, and it is a problem in a Visual Studio, and you better to switch to the Visual Studio code. It it really said that. So and I have a problem personally in a Visual Studio Code for the C and C++, but for the Python it was good. I used the VS Code for the Python most of the time, and it was good. And yeah, it is a time to find a new compiler. To be honest, you the lot of legends in a CPP they use. Visual Studio Code, but I have no idea. I have no boost for the Visual Studio. Really, man, seriously. And yeah, I think it has some vengeance on my laptop. To be honest, it is always showing that my my file is not found, something like that. Like man, lord, man, oh my god, dude, I have no idea, man. Seriously, I'm really difficult, man. I did every possible way to figure out the solution for that, but it have some issues on my laptop. It really, man. Everything was run perfectly, but I expect my laptop. I just want to solve that problem right now. Okay, can you hear? Okay, thank you. Okay, I hope it. Oh, okay, it is. Okay, that's matter. Okay, do the more decreasing. Oh, it's actually decreasing. But I think it is actually running the each time. Okay, okay, it is my fault. Okay, let me fix that. Okay. Um, so printing that each time is actually crazy. Mm, we have to set some loop or something like that. Okay, okay, I have to. So yeah, increasing. But wait a minute, they are high. So I think I did wrong for the. Wait a minute. So wait a minute. Where is it? Wait a minute. Okay, here it is. Mm, okay. 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 Wait a minute. So it is. It is actually decreasing, but okay. So my fault. I just yeah, I just got confused. Okay, so it is actually decreasing. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so okay, decreasing. Okay, it is actually decreasing. Okay, so if I enter, it is increasing. Okay, why it is showing it for time? I don't know, man. Okay, we use a string now, but I have to use a name. But I think we changed this over here, and that is the only reason that we have to use like this. I think so. I think it is not that big problem to use a num string over here. Yeah, I don't think that problem. Okay, so it is a problem. Okay, so now we have to return the value that I think it will be, yeah, fully functionable. Okay, oh, what the heck, what? So why this looks like a too small? Oh, what? Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but yeah. Oh, so this way. Okay, thank you, man. I really appreciate you, man. Okay. Mm, oh my god, it can fold up to this. Okay, I don't know. Okay, if we can't, okay, if we can, I think we can do like this. will be fully okay. It is good. It is probably for now it is good. So if we get the new monitor, I think it will be a perfect one to be here. Okay. So okay. Now we have to return this. So I think do I okay, I don't know man. So returning the value. So yes, I actually someone said that mm, if we not someone the ChatGPT said if we return the value that the main function would take that as a we are returning that value to the different function. Yeah, it would consider like that. So if we can use a I mean we can use a int sorry return in a main function or any function. If we use a int return that it must be for returning the value to the another function, something like that they say. Okay, so it will be a problem if I use like that. So so what do we do now that we can they use something like a boolean boolean. Oh, we can use a boolean either. mm, we might use a something like a character for note down. mm, I think that probably help, but so we have to compare the every uh, I mean so how do we print that one time? How do we print that one time? So like we have to like what the heck? So yeah, it have bug. Figure out that it have bug. So increasing, then decreasing, right? Guys, did you notice that it is didn't consider the first number? Alright, we figure out the culprit. Again, the word is showing like that. So I think we showed this something like that. You know. Okay, wait a minute. So increasing, two increasing, then decreasing, It is actually increasing from here, but it is showing it decreasing over here. Oh my god. Like, what the heck? So, yeah, I think there is a bug in my code. I think that it is. Lord, man. Sorry, man. Sorry, my fault. It is already 1 hour 5 minutes. Okay, I think we have to take a break or something like that. Do we need a break? I don't think we need one. I think we don't need a one for now. For now, we don't need. I think for now we don't need that. Okay. Oh my god, my phone is actually outside. That we can talk right now to my dad. I want some snacks. Okay. Okay, guys. Wait a minute. I have to talk to my dad. Yeah, I want some snacks. So yeah, just mm, I don't think I will take much long, but maybe 2 minutes. Yeah, just no close look over here. I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, so I probably think of that, but the loop is actually uh, rotating for how many the string it have, right? So we have to use something to know something something to know that. Okay, wait, we got an idea. So if okay, wait a minute. So if the I equal to the I equal to 4, maybe okay, equal to num string, then it will print okay. I think it is good. Okay. For example, so, oh my god, I think it should work. Okay. It is crazy. Oh my god, what's going on, man? Like, what the heck? So we can, oh, okay, so the noun string is actually acting as a string, so we can compare the, we can't actually compare the num into the string, right? So, okay, wait a minute, so I have a good idea that, so, string, uh, what variable name it will be, so, length, length, it looks like a length, okay, length, what variable name will be good, length, okay, I have no idea, so the length, okay, okay, for now the length is good, okay, don't confuse also. Sorry, okay, okay, so yeah, it is good, I think, to do like that, I think, yeah, see the length, okay, use a length, okay, I think it might not work, man. So this thing over here might actually Yeah, we can compare that with the okay, sorry, my format. So, sorry, I did by mistake. I did notice that. Oh my god, why the heck I deleted all that? Mm, did it right? Okay, yeah, delete it. Is okay. It have to be right. Okay. So the digit is to the number. Okay. Okay. So it is a simple thing that I skipped. We might use like this. Someone is calling me, so just a wait minute. Sorry guys, I'm back. He actually asked me for the upcoming Avatar movie, The Fire and Ash, right? Okay, yeah, he asked for the movie to come. Yeah, I think it will be fun. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, okay. Yeah, I have to go. It will be just the theater experience is lot more than I thought. So Okay, it is like so. Okay, it is unnecessary topic. So, mm, okay, so I'm done. So now I'm going to use that. Sorry. Okay, yeah, I will be good. Okay, so what the heck? I think this line is going in I think I don't know exactly what it is, but we have to know sooner. But before that, I have to solve this problem for now. Okay, it is executing nothing. The I equal to digit. So I think that it is probably never happened. Okay, so the loop is perfectly running. We want the output as it is. You have to return the statement that it is good. Okay, so I think we need some help. Okay, compare the only two digit at the time. Decide the direction once, then verify it. I want some help here. That sorry, man. Oh my god, I forgot to turn off the mic. God. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. So yeah, just got distracted. Okay. So yeah, I want some more. Yeah, I want to. So if the values decrease, uh, okay, here's the problem. That so let me explain that. Okay, just think about that. So now our program that is actually printing the number each printing this. Okay, I mean okay, let's remove this. Okay, so let's remove these guys. So we don't want so Oh, sorry. Mm, what the heck? I believe the. Okay, sorry, my fault. I did everything and I didn't understand. Okay, my fault. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, so let me explain that. So whenever the number is coming, it is comparing this and then printing this. It is increasing or decreasing. So it is what actually happening. Yeah, what actually happened here. So yes. So if the number if for example if the number is actually increasing, for example, let me give you. Okay, so if the number is increasing like this, then suddenly decrease means it is actually showing that it is decreasing, right? Yes. Yeah, yeah, it is showing like that. So um, so for this we have to print the we want the. Okay, so I think we might not strategy directly that we don't might have. What about these embeds? No, I think strategy might help probably. Sorry, my fault. Okay, it is actually I was explained. I didn't notice it. So my fault. Okay. Do we? Yes. For now, it is probably better to be here. Okay. Yes. So I didn't complete this. I have to. Okay. So good guess. These exactly the kind of the test whether the logic is really understand. So let's classy and let's say yeah, before no code just clean design. Okay, so increasing, still increasing, and now decreasing. What that this mean? It is increase and then decrease the direction. Change once. Okay, so the mountain style, but pattern for the yearly classification, not strictly increasing, not strictly decreasing, neither. Okay, so increasing first, then decrease, then one clean peak. What the heck? It is Vedic. No, for the first. So, okay, it is actually important, right? Mm, if the number If the number is decrease, then we have to move to the else. Okay. mm, Guys, wait a minute. How long it is? Oh my god, my battery is about to die. Okay. It's 1 hour 30 minutes. So guys, I think I need a break. Then we can continue that. Okay, so I'm a human and I can't work forever. So I just want some fuel for the focus and for the logic thinking. So it is what it is. We can't change anything. So we just okay. I'm just taking a break. Okay, so see you after the break. I don't want to delete this. I have to be here for. Okay, so okay, so see you after the break, guys. Like I took a long time for the. Okay. Sorry guys, I got some inconvenience trouble in my room. Sorry, I just sorry, it's my fault. Okay, so let me. Mm, yeah, try to solve this, man. My just record. Oh my god. I just yeah, I have no idea, man. I don't know. So okay, okay, no decreasing. Yes, okay, okay. It have to be in either, and it have to be the either. So that is the problem, and we only want to solve that. So, so yeah, I think I didn't do that anyway. Yes, I does. Yeah, okay. Can you go? I have to complete this problem today, man. It is taking too long. I have to complete this problem sooner. Okay, the everything perfect, but we have to stop the output when the number is decreasing at the lower or beginner like that. So I think we might use if inside of that, if it is okay, yeah, I think we can like that. Maybe if we have to try, right? Yeah. So if the num string if the num string wait a second. Then if I'm string I somehow it is mm, somehow it is become a less than a string. Okay, I think we are in a good way. This one we have to return return maybe print like it is neither. Okay, okay, so yeah, that is what it is. Okay. I think it is symbol. Okay. Um, string I is we have to do the condition opposite because if it is become a totally opposite of that, we have to notice that it is either that is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. Okay, so the num string I plus okay, so in my fault. Then we have to use either. Yeah. Okay, I hope it work. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Oh my god. Where it is showing another. Okay. 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 My fault. I forgot the semicolon. Okay. Sorry. My fault. Morpho. Okay. Oh my god. It is not. Sorry. It is not actually painting neither. God. It is actually the n num string I is less than addition. We have to be focused on those. So n greater than num string. Okay. Then a num string suddenly becomes a num string. Domains we have to implement this, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is what it is, but the condition is not satisfying. Why exactly? So we might change the. Okay, so let me try this. Then try to. I think it might work. I think maybe my laptop can understand this program. Mm, oh, wait a second. Okay, can you okay, be here? Yeah, good. No, I think no, no, no. It is perfect. Mm, yes, it is perfect for now. Okay. Um, Neither. It is showing a neither at the beginning. Oh Lord. Why it is showing neither at the beginning? Guys, I'm about to cry, guys, I'm about to cry, guys. Oh my god. Wait a minute, so it is increasing and it is showing neither, then it is increasing, it is showing a neither, then it is increasing, then showing a decrease, wow, then showing a decrease. So, okay, I think we, we, I think I'm better get on this. It's printing a oh my god, stupid. Stupid, 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 stupid. Okay, I'm to figure out. Okay, like guys, seriously, I have no idea how to do anything. To be honest, I'm not really good at the. I have to learn something, you know. So, it's the ChatGPT. Okay, I don't know where. Okay, so he okay, yeah. So here is where the this where the mm, oh no, we are here. Okay, so just I actually did my best. I really got fucked up, to be honest. So so I did my best. It is like I mean more. Uh, Maybe condition with a more example, something like that. I mean, okay. Okay. I will do it quickly. Think only some more conditions during the okay. What you're trying to do is the correct. This means you must follow the okay. Your current condition cannot work. Concept. Okay. At this glance, this is a logic, but here are the fatal flaws. You are not deciding to early. You are making a decision inside the loop based on only one comparison. Based on only one comparison, what do you mean? But the problem is about the entire number, not one step. Ah, your loop is our sparse printing. So how to compare like this? So this is what they mean by non-string index and just a two fact. Okay. So okay. So you have to compare with the previous number, man. I never knew about that. So they saw in page to one. Yeah. So I have to do for so you realize this one this is impossible. But I think only a number can be both greater or smaller at the same time. Mm, I know you are teasing me. Single dialogue that will fix this forever. Okay. The simple sentence this will fix this forever. Okay. The chat GPT I actually said like this before. Just by the two lines, it actually created the entire problem. So I think it will. I didn't see. I'm not seeing this, but I'm going to read this, and I hope it will make a sense to me. Okay. Decisions are made from the loop, not during it. During the loop, you only collect evidence. That is the rule. Okay, read that again. That is the rule. The decisions are made after the loop, not during it. During the loop, you only collecting evidence. Oh, okay. So we are not doing that inside the loop. We are doing outside the loop. Okay. We are only collecting the evidence. Okay, I never knew, man. Okay, wait a minute. It is on. Okay, I really thought it is off. Okay, so the only last critical fix the boundary logic. Okay, that means okay, you access. Okay, wait a minute. So the concepts must be at. You already learned why earlier. Oh yeah, yeah. So yeah, I know that, but I thought we are not comparing the each pair and the same thing. And then man, sorry, my fault. My phone. 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 Okay, the final. Do I have to do that now? Oh my god, 70 minutes. Just 70 minutes. So I have to learn. Okay, I have to learn. Yeah, and I have no idea how to implement the inside outside the loop and collecting that evidence inside the loop. So I have no idea. So okay, yeah, we can do like that, right? So have no idea that how the if can so I mean inside the loop how the thing and the condition actually work inside it, and then and I have no experience in the I mean I have no experience yeah, using that like collecting the evidence inside the loop and then sorry, using the device inside the loop and collecting them from the outside. I have no experience in that, so I have to know the how the code looks like. Sorry guys, I suddenly got that. So I never knew this voice actually do work good. And I have to add more like I mean I want to learn more code in depth, and I have no idea what's going on inside the evidence. Then yeah, so I have to know how the code is actually. Golly man, I'm just getting that. Sorry. So I just want to know how the code looks like, and I have no experience of obtain using collecting using evidence inside the loop and collecting that outside the. So I just want to know how the looks and how it is worked. So can you show that real quick? Okay. I hope it doesn't interrupt my. Uh, does it interrupt my? Okay. So it does add to that. Okay. Guys, this is how I talk. This is how I talk. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. So here it is what it is. Okay. Oh my god. This is actually big. So actually yeah, we actually totally doing the wrong, to be honest. We can see that. And we have a lot of things to learn here. Now we are correcting this, and then we are using the same thing over here. Why we are using this? Because to turn that then okay, turn this thing to the string to say that. Okay, boolean. Okay, then boolean saw increase false and saw decrease false. Okay. Okay, so if the okay length, what do you mean? Ooh, okay, they are actually doing directly, not like that, not like us. So if yes, I if I yes I less than yes I two means it will say the saw increase equal to true. Okay, then saw decrease equal to true. Okay, so the else will be written neither. Okay, so here they are only using this. Okay, okay, they are correcting that. Oh, okay, that's the program. What the heck? So if the okay, wait a minute. So if saw increase and why they are using this? What's this? Is this what the heck? Why it is here? No way, it is one of the programs, something like that. Okay, I don't know why it is. Okay, saw decrease and saw increase and saw decrease will be increase. Then okay, they are doing that for the mean. Okay, okay. I have no idea why they are using like that, but yeah. The program is too simple, man. And yeah, they actually use the true and false over here, but I have no experience in that, to be honest. I'm not the one. Seriously, I never use true or false inside the law. for returning the value. Okay, it is actually clever idea. I'm not gonna. So uh, standard count neither return zero. Then I, we actually not complete this. We have to. I'm not gonna give up, man. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. Okay, they actually explained. Oh, okay. So I have no idea what's why they actually. I never seen any. Uh, like I mean, I never seen any condition like this. Like I mean, not equal. I mean, exclamatory mark, right? Exclamatory. So after the loop, the final reason only. So okay, so I can understand, but okay, but I have no idea what's. Can't I saw? Okay, so no, I mean, can't I ask? Thinking okay. I have no idea that you why you used the exclamatory in that. Do you expect me to explain me? Yeah, so I think I might use this for every time. Yeah, I think it is kind of better for now. Yeah, just and I do stop me here. Okay, so why the somebody programming first? Okay, yeah. So this is not you cannot. Okay, I know that, but it is actually possible. I don't know. That is nothing fancy and nothing like English. Okay, so okay, true, yes, then that false, no. Then not equal to means it is a false. Okay, it is like saying that in a opposite way, something like that. It is kind of confusing, right? But if any new programmers see like this, okay, what the fuck is going on here? They will cry. I'm not gonna lie, man. So if one of them is increase, or I mean increase true means the decrease have to be false. So we are using that uh, to determine. Wait a minute. So what exactly they written here? They written zero, right? Okay, that's good. And they actually printed the neither directly. Okay, that's actually kind of bad, to be honest. Printing like that might be. It looks too simple, man. Just like I wrote, but I use some in between of that. But yeah, we are actually almost complete, but we didn't use boolean functions, and we didn't use like this. So if we tried, but yeah, we might complete this program sooner, to be honest. Okay, we actually know how to use it, so now we are going to solve it by ourselves. Let's sit on your seat and watch closely what I'm going to do. Okay. Can we change from this? Okay, I don't really like. I really hate to start from the program I already uh, done that wrong. So yeah, it is what it is. So I'm using the wrong library. Oh my god. Okay. Can we use for now? Oh my god, I clicked the wrong one. Names, playlist, street, right? Yeah. So, oh my god. Okay, I have no idea why I did it. So, yes. Okay. So, okay, we have no. Okay. We are doing in a wrong. No, then they actually use the. They actually use the. Yeah, they actually use the string. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they actually. Yeah. I got it. Okay, yeah, string. Then string. Then yeah, yeah. So yeah, they actually use like that. Mm, string. Then they use equal to something like that. Mm, no, I don't think so. I mean, I think they use like this, something like that. Mm, then, right? I think they use like that. I don't know exactly. Depends. Okay, so yeah, yeah. So for I equal to one, sorry, I equal to 0, then I is actually uh, num string dot length, right? Yes. So then yeah, again plus plus. Okay, they actually directly use that. Okay, it is a clever idea. Okay, so okay, well, okay, so I clicked up this. Okay, so okay, so we did this. Then we have to use the condition, right? So the num they actually use the boolean, right? Yeah, boolean. Bull the increase equal to was we are setting that as a default. Bulls are increasing. Bulls are increasing equal to bulls. Okay. Mm, right. I think yeah. No, sorry, I did that by the mistake. Okay. Mm, then mm, yeah, so they actually say to minus, right? Yeah, so yeah. Uh, I hate to do see this, man. Lord, man, Lord. Just playing with that. Okay, so we have to return, right? Something like that. No, saw increasing. No, it is a saw decrease, right? Yeah, saw dec. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, my god! It is my fault. Okay, that decreasing. Okay, not increasing. So sorry guys, I didn't notice it and type like idiot. So my fault. Why it is deleting, man? Lord have mercy, man. Okay, so decreasing. I thought the someone will notice that. Yeah, someone actually did. This crazy. Anyway, actually, else if I sorry greater than sorry smaller than I plus okay so angry so angry equal to alright then so we have to return nothing then print we can use this right yeah so neither then return okay so we are doing still right now we are doing perfectly right then if the saw increasing sorry nice increasing uh so increasing equal to true or something like that I don't know okay so yeah we don't use like that what is the end like no 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 okay yeah, it is okay no 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 okay it is okay it is increasing. Wait a minute. So yeah. Oh my. Oh my goodness! I'm just doing that. I just keep pressing the delete button, man. Oh. Still, my finger is going for the delete, not for the end. Lord, man, Lord have mercy, man. Lord have mercy, man. So we have to print it is increasing, right? Right, is done. It's a sound, right? Yeah, okay. Minus decrease. Uh, Decreasing. Okay, perfect, man. So I hope there is no. So it is not showing my. My bad, my bad, man. My bad, my bad, man. Yeah, just as I thought it was going well. Lord have mercy. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I just forgot we actually did a username. I think it is showing because of this or something like that. Yeah, so yeah, it is showing because of that. Yeah, I did some. I actually didn't remember the syntax of the code. I think yeah, I think we don't need this because we use the standard something like that. Okay, so yeah, I have to see the syntax. Sorry for seeing the code, but I sorry. So we are using it directly. So yeah, sorry, my fault, man. Sorry, guys, I'm sorry. I thought they are using like that. Okay. They're directly using it. So my fault. My fault. My fault. Now it is doing new. What the heck, man? What the heck? Okay, it is because of the num I changed. But okay, wait a minute. So in a ChatGPT code, they actually use the string. Okay, so they actually use the string. Okay, my fault, man. Okay. I thought they actually use a num. Okay, just okay. Sorry, I just small mistake. Just doing a small mistake again. Oh my god, I just I thought it might work, but I'm a fool. Okay, my fault. Okay, oh my god. Just keep forgetting the semicolon, man. Lord have mercy, man. Okay, still, man. 40. Okay, where's the 6? Okay, it's starting here. Then 45, okay. It seems like it have no ending. Okay, it is showing error. What the heck? Where is the fold open? Okay, it is not ending. It is actually ending here. Lord have mercy, man. Okay. Sorry, my fault. My fault. I didn't notice. Mm, 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 mm. Neither. Okay, perfect. Perfect. That's what we want. Yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. If we end like this, yeah, increasing. Okay. I did it. I did it. So we actually use the ChatGPT for the help because I had no idea what's going on there and I have no experience on what exactly going on there. But yeah, it is actually not like a copying that, but I have no experience on that. But and I'm about to freak out, and yeah, it is one of the reason. Then and I just can't think about that because I just yeah like yeah. So yeah, we have to do it without AI, but it might take a time, and we have to learn that at the same time. So yeah, so I think better of reducing AI sometime. Okay, so I did it. Mhm. It's a code. So we have to add this line away. Okay. So actually, I did that code after I saw your code, but I think like after seeing your code and I feel bad and I had a like bad feeling about that and I had an same on the other hand I have no other option and I have no experience on doing like that and it actually freaked me out that and I never use a boolean inside of the loop and trying to convert that outside like yeah just got confused and lost my way in between but I now solved that and it is kind of easy but I just freak out by the question yeah it is what it is so I did and what do you think about okay so so we have to change the interface of the chat gpt and I don't know is it possible guys like maybe different color I like the white but something something crazy like that I don't know is it possible I don't know if it is possible we can change it remove this watermark Okay, okay, just kidding. Okay, else plus okay. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, well, it is like okay. Both the code is the first. Okay, so your code is correct and not kind of correct. You're not copying. Okay, so that's it. And okay, so yeah, so yeah. So sorry, I just got distracted. Okay, your brain is just encoding new thinking matter is no yeah. So you don't desire. Okay, so you had no experience with that. So your brain and what the fuck is this? I think that's it's normal, but here is just you hear the you're not just copying in my code. You saw the pattern, you didn't understand it. You understand it must you try it away and implement it correctly and understand it after writing it. That's how the real program or real learnings work. Okay, if you learn, if you, but if you say like that, I will, I will just try a little bit and then paste it out and then learn that. Okay, but it is a full idea. But yeah, just okay. So if you learn away and if felt comfortable with it, what it is very important for the reframing. Okay, seeing a solution before you know the pattern doesn't mean invalidate your learning. Oh my God, this is a quote of the day. Oh my God, course of the day, course man. Oh my God, what matters? Did you understand it? How we recognize pattern? It makes sense why it is not okay, and answer is yes. Does it make sense why it is okay? Yeah. About I never used a billion like this because of course you didn't not the point. You learn under straight and the logic. Most people avoid the stance stays. Yeah, so let me say that really mental move. Mental move. You didn't lose your way. You expanded. Okay. Confusion plus discomfort discovered comfort not equal to learning. Okay. What I honestly think of you right now, first, I think you understanding not just yeah. Yeah, I do. But yeah, just have to understand that and make a sense. It is a make a sense. If it is not make a sense, or if it is not understandable, I will kick that ass. I don't care about anything. Just if I don't understand, I just kick that ass. Okay. You get sarcasm when the things is real and feel just human. It is second. Okay, you get second when the things feel and yeah, that's what I do usually. Okay, but you don't quit, but you don't quit. But it's combination of all the difference. The main one that this puts you in your so I use the same pattern, just one more flag. Okay, it have one more flag. Oh my god. This time it will feel much easier, I promise. Okay. First thing important, don't feel bad for needing to say something once. If you found that once you saw already understood it, that's the difference you already. Okay. Yeah, we have to solve the next one. So we can't expand it. Okay. So we have like this. Now we have completed this. How do I? Okay. Oh, that sound was crazy, man. Okay. A single there is an okay. Wait a minute. I think I reduced the sound or something like that. Okay. Yeah, my bad. I reduced the sound. Okay. So yeah. So we completed one, but yeah. So we have to go for here, and it is already. You can see it is 23:10. It is too late. My yeah, like yeah, it is too late, and I have to go and sleep. So yeah, I think it is probably good for now. Yes, guys, let me see you tomorrow. And okay, so hope you have a good day. So yeah, why am I saying this now? Okay, so I'm just saying that because you guys may wow, watch this video whenever you want. So and it might be a morning and might be a night. So I'm just okay. I just said, man, we are taking this serious. Okay, I don't feel like that. Okay, okay. So yeah, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow on day 11. Okay, today is a day 10, right? Yeah, yesterday is day 9. So we actually completed our semester exam. So I'm not really going to fully focus on the semester. To be honest, I don't really like the syllabus of the my semester. To be honest, but semesters and syllabus I really hate. It is not actually I chosen the AI and ideas, and it is it is like a meaningless. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie. It is like a meaningless to me. I just chosen that course by myself. I really thought I will have some good job in that. That is the only motive I taken that course. But and now I really feeling bad for that for the for I taken that course. But yeah, it is what it is. But so we are going to more focus on the OpenGL because yeah, but the main reason I really like the OpenGL the because we are giving a life we are giving the life to the matters, like I mean we are giving the life by the math, using a math and some C++ programs we are converting the math into the living thing. And like I mean by the living thing is like something meaningful, like some characters and like some models and some characters and some trees and the views and all the graphic stuff. They as the fine touch they look as a living thing. Isn't isn't it not? It is what it is, right? So it is I think it makes sense to you. So yeah, so it is actually meaningful, but I really bad for studying AI because it's like some training some AI, but it is really like a meaningless to me. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, but it is. But I chosen to trying some AI, but I just chosen the course to be. But now I feel really bad for that to chosen that course. But to be honest, I'm not gonna. But it is what it is. So no, human can be like a can be changed, right? They can be same all the time. So yeah, we are in the same in a same computer science path. So yeah, so not going to choose an AI, but for now I'm not going to choose AI because I just want to be more fun with the OpenGL. To be honest, that's why I'm learning the want to learn a OpenGL because I have to like I have to like lot of fun in OpenGL. It is actually fun. We use a math to have a lot of fun. We used to create stuff and it makes a sense by seeing it, the graphic designs and all that. It makes a sense, right? So yeah, this is just a this is just a day 10 video, and if we make through this series six 60 days and then 90 days and then 65 is 365 days, it will be crazy, man. I'm gonna lie. I will remember this day thing, but yeah, we are going to do that. I'm not gonna lie, we are going to do that. I will never give up. I just had a no path in my past, but now I have a clear path what I want, and we can learn. There is nothing else can be uh, really hard, or nothing can be impossible, and we can learn. We if we spend time and work like crazy, but we can achieve that. Okay, it is it is right. So we can achieve by giving some efforts and times and dedicates how the thing works, how the and if you do the thing what you love, it will be more make a sense. You will feel and love the thing what you do. It make a sense and you will do without even realizing yourself how much time you spend around that and how much effort you gave that. It is make a sense whenever you actually spend a time in that. So yeah, just do what you actually love to do and what you interested to. It is yeah, so I just chosen that path, and here I am. I'm publishing this video over here to you. And to be honest, my English is not really good. So yeah, so this is what I know. To be honest, I just learned my English to the watching some animes and our own page, something like that, and a lot of animes I used to watch, and I learned a lot of English from that, and so a lot of like vocabularies and a lot of things, and yeah, I just animes actually helped me to learn a lot more English and understanding everything came from the anime I watched. Yeah, first of all, I have to thank for the Naruto for understanding. For I really had a poor understanding of what people actually talk in English for at the beginning, and I like a great tour. So, but I just watched a lot of Naruto in English dub, and if for the 1 week it is too hard, but then eventually I get stick into that, and I really got into the Naruto, and really understandable to in within a week, within 1 week, and it is too crazy. And by that I started to understand what they are speaking and everything, and I started to speak by myself. After that, it is quite grateful. I mean, it is a quite grateful journey, to be honest. Just by watching anime, it is not actually a waste of time. I just putting to watch that, and it is actually interesting. I'm not gonna, but at the same time, it is actually helped me to learn English. Okay, but I'm not really speak in a good way, but I just watch an anime to understand and more. I just try my best to speak fluently but I know I'm not that, but I just take a time to think what to say, but it is the problem. So if we do this series continuously crazy, like a 60 day and 90 day and like I said 365 day, I hope you will see the difference from this day 10 video to 365 day or 90 day 60 day. You may see the fluency of my, because I talk to you guys every time, and it will and my memory power of thinking the words, it will comes quickly, and the lot of experts like I mean lot of expert who speaks good in English, and not a lot of native speakers, they said exactly the same. If you have a lot of practice in the speaking, you will have you will think the word in the mind so quickly, and it will come without even taking some time. So it is what I want. Yeah, just do what you like. It is yeah. So I have no idea why I said all that, but if anyone is watching now, comment below that I will try, I will, like I mean I will do what I love. So if anybody is watching right now, until this, okay, comment below, I will do what I love. That's it. Okay, so that I can understand that whoever watched this video can, who some of them actually watch this video until this. So yeah, so just did this, and it is actually too late. I don't know. Okay, it is actually 2020. Okay, so have to go and see you in a day 20. Day 20 sorry, day 11, right? So sorry, yes, it's 20. Okay, day 11. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.